Hello everyone, I am Thomas, currently pursuing a BTech in computer engineering with a specialization in cybersecurity. Today I am set to share my project on network vulnerability assessment. My project aims to identify and address five critical network vulnerabilities by utilizing tools such as Nessus or open areas. Here I am utilizing the Nessus canopy. I set up a target machine with Metasploit 2 vulnerabilities machine and a scanning machine is running on coordinates. Both machines are configured to operate within a NAT network. First of all, we check the IP address using the ifconfig command on coordinates. Our IP address is 10.0.2.10. To discover the target IP, we use the netdiscover tool. The command netdiscover -i e e to -r 10.0.2.0 /system. This command helps us find the target IP. So IP is 10.0.2.11. Before you unsure about obtaining the IP, you can log into the Metasploit machine using the credentials. The username is msapatni and password is msapatni. Then use the ifconfig command to find the IP. In this case, the IP address is also 10.0.2.1. Finally, we have the target IP. So let's begin the Nessus scanner. Here I have already installed Nessus. To start Nessus, use the command sudo systemctl start Nessus. To verify if it's running, use sudo systemctl status Nessus. Now it's up and running. Next, open your browser and type https your username and port number. Here my port number is 8834. Then log in with your Nessus credentials, classes a Nessus interface. To initiate the scan, I select Use Scan. Then choose Advanced Scan. In the name section, I name it Metasploit 2 and describe it as a network vulnerability assessment. For target IP 10.0.2.11, enter into the target section. Go into the credential section, I select SSH and input the Metasploit credentials for advanced vulnerability detection. After saving the settings, I launch the scan. Currently, the scan is in progress, so let's wait a few minutes. While we wait for the processing, let's replace an nmap pin to scan for vulnerabilities and open books. The command for this nmap is nmap-sc -sp -en -v-os and filename.xml and target IP 10.0.2.1. This command conducts a comprehensive scan for scripts version detection with no pin scan. It was output the result in XML format. To scan results of XML for analysis. To convert the XML file to HTML for user analysis, we use the command xsltproc scan results for XML greater than output of HTML. In our nmap scan, we found important stuff. First, we saw a lot of open doors on our target, like FTP and SSH. These doors can let bad guys in if we don't block them right. Second, we ran exactly what version of the software are running on the target, like FTP version 2.3.4 and SSH version 4.7 APU. Knowing this helps us keep our software protected and safe from the known problems. By dealing with these findings, we are making our network safer. So finally, we got the output from here. It's a scanner. Let's see how many critical, high, medium, low vulnerabilities are there by generating a report. Nessus can result, we found a total of 31 critical vulnerabilities, 94 high vulnerabilities, 139 medium vulnerabilities, and 17 low vulnerabilities. Additionally, we gathered 176 informational findings. Now let's focus on top 5 critical vulnerabilities. Let's see the first vulnerability. The first one is Apache Log4j SEOL, and CVSS score is 10.0. This vulnerability means that the outdated Apache Log4j 1.s has multiple vulnerabilities, including deserialization flaws and improper certificate validation. The mitigation plan for this vulnerability is upgrade to the latest support version of Apache Log4j to address this critical securities. The second vulnerability is Unix operating system unsupported version detection and a CVSS score 10.0. This vulnerability means that a version of Unix operating system installed on remote host is no longer supported by its vendor or provider. The mitigation plan for the vulnerability is upgraded to a currently supported version of Unix operating system to address security vulnerabilities and ensure continued vendor support. And a third vulnerability is Patch Tomcat AJP connector request injection. Can we say as host can? CVS score 9.8. This vulnerability means that the file read inclusion vulnerability was found in the AJP connector. A remote unauthenticated attacker could exploit this vulnerability to read web application files from a vulnerable server. In case the server allows file uploads, an attacker could upload malicious Java pages JS code within the various file types and execute remote code. The mitigation plan for this vulnerability is update a agent configuration to require authorization and upgrade the Tomcat server to version 7.0.00 or 9.0.31 or later. The fourth vulnerability is match remote code execution. Can we say a shell shock? The CVSS score is 9.8. This vulnerability means that version of bash running on remote host is susceptible to command injection through manipulation of environment variables. Depending on system configuration, attackers could remotely execute arbitrary code. The mitigation plan for the vulnerability is update bash to patch the vulnerability. The fifth vulnerability is bind shell backdoor protection. The CVSS score 9.8. This vulnerability means that the shell is listening on the remote port without authentication, allowing attackers to connect and send commands directly. The mitigation plan for this vulnerability is verify if the host has been compromised and reinstall the system if necessary. So finally, in this video, I covered critical securities, potential exploits, and recommended solution to protect the system. Thank you for watching this presentation on the vulnerabilities related by Nessus scanning. Thank you.